Yesterday class, I finished that is a block 3, that is royalty, hire purchase, and some of the technical issue I discontinued in the yesterday class. But I will today, that is a branch and departmental accounts. That is branch and departmental accounts. In that, we will go for 4 units. That is the branch accounts, the theoretical part, and next preparation of branch accounts, then departmental accounts and preparation of departmental accounts. Today I will finish the branch and departmental accounts. That is a block number 4. If you have any doubts, you should ask in chat box only. Okay. Now I will go to discuss about meaning and definition of branch and branch accounting. Okay. In order, in order to increase the sales, in order to increase the sales, a business concern will have to divide their main office into different sections. That is called as branches. Is any doubts? See, once again I will repeat. See, what do you mean by branch? See, for increase the sales. See, increase the sales, our business concerns will have to divide their main office. Page number 226. Page number 226. The business concern will have to divide their main office into different sections. That is called as a branch. Of the shops open at the different places are called branches. See, why we have to open a branch? This is very important. Very important. See, objectives of branch accounting. Objectives of branch accounting. Okay. First, to know the final result of each branch separately. See, it is one of the major objective of branch accounting. We have to find out the whether it's going a profit or loss of each branch. Okay. Next, to ascertain the real position of each branch. To ascertain, we have to finalize, we have to prepare the real financial position. Then third one is to promote sales. Of course, when you are doing another brand, obviously we are giving a promote. So it will be increasing sales, increasing turnover. Okay. Next, to eliminate middlemen. It is also one of a very important objective. We have so many branches means we can easily eliminate any middlemen. Page number 227. Okay, to exercise control over each branch. To control over each branch. To meet and cash requirements of each branch. Then to get suggestion for increasing the efficiency of branches. Efficiency of branches. To ascertain whether branches should be expanded or closed down. See, these are the very important objectives of branch accounting. Next, we will go for types of branches. See, mainly classification into 2 types. That is home branches and another one is foreign branches. Can you tell me once again what are the types of branches? What are the types of branches? Can anyone explain? Anyone should explain what are the types of branches? Students, I'm asking to you only. Can you tell me what are the types of branches? I will repeat. See, that is very good puja. Very good puja. Home branches and foreign branches. Again, we can classification of home branch, that is dependent and independent. That is dependent and independent. See, this is the types of branches. This is the types of branches. Okay, very good. In this is the only theory part in this chapter. So I will move on for practical problems. I will move on practical problems. In theory question, only the important question is objectives of branch accounting. Okay, objectives of branch accounting. Now I am going to explain the problem. That is a branch account. You should come on page number 240. 240. You should come on 240 page number. Objectives of branch accounting, that is very important for a theoretical part. Kirtana. Okay. Now you should come on. Now you should come on page number 240. I will going to explain the pro forma. I will explain the pro forma of branch account. That is page number 240. If you understand pro forma, you can easily go out for problems. Okay. I will go for pro forma. That is page number 240. In the books of head office is any so for example branch account like that. Okay. So and on the debit side we have two sides, that is debit on the left hand side, on the right hand side it is a credit side. In the debit side, first one, there is to opening balance brought on. Opening balance. There is branch debtors, stock debtors, bills receivable, respecting important. Head office on behalf of Very important. See, okay, I will go once again on the credit side. Sorry for technical issue. Sorry for technical issue. I will explain on the credit side. I will explain on credit side. See, we have to write on opening balance brought on. That is the outstanding expenses and creditors. We are already entered in the debit side. That is a closing balance. That is a closing balance. Now we are entering on opening balance on the credit side. On the credit side. Okay. Next, there is a bank account. Next, there is a bank account or is remittance from the branch. That is a cash sales or collection from debtors, a cash received directly from the branch debtors, or sale of any fixed assets and insurance claim. In that you should take idle, you should do total. After that you should deduct amount spent by if any branch manager. You should very clear cut, you should understand. See, amount spent by branch manager. Amount spent by branch manager. That is, you should deduct. Okay. Next, by goods sent to branch account. That is a returns. Very good. Okay. That is a returns by branch only. Then stock reserve account. Stock reserve account. That is a loading in opening stock. Very important. That is loading in opening stock. Then by goods sent to branch account, that is loading in goods sent. Then by closing stock. See, in debit side we are entered, that is opening stock. Now we are writing on the credit side, that is a closing balance carried on. Okay. So now I will go for problem, that is will come for your examination. That is come for your examination. I will explain on problem. It will be very important. Okay. On page number 248, page number 248, page number 248, problem number 2. This type of question will become to your examination. This type of question will be common your exam. Shall I go for problem? Shall I go for problem? Problem ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? Okay, okay, Kirtana, okay, Anjali. Okay, see, question number 2, that is page number 248. From the following particulars relating to Bagalkot branch for the year ending 31st 12 2011, prepare a branch account in the books of head office. See, in this question, a date is very important. That is a opening and closing. Okay, because already I explained there is a format. If you very well in format means you should go easily for problems. Okay, see, stock at branch on 1/1/2011 means that is a opening balances. Where should we write the opening balances? Can anyone of tell me? Can anyone of tell me where should we write opening balance? Opening balance. Where should we write? Can you anyone tell me please? Means that is debit side or credit side? As opening balances on the left hand side. Very good, Pratiksha. Means very good, Pooja. That is debit side. Very good, very good. Okay, very good. That is the opening start. That is 20,000. You should write on debit side. Next, Branch debtors on 1/1/2011. Again, it is also same. That is debit side. Very good, Manjula. That is debit side. See, branch debtors on 31/12/2011. A branch debtors, that is 31/12/2011. Where should we write that amount? Where should we write that amount? The closing balance. Closing means you should write on your action. Means that is a credit side. Very good, Spandana. Very good, Pratiksha. You should write on your credit side. That is the right hand side. Very good. Next, petty cash on opening. See, 1/1 means it is a opening. Okay. See, petty cash at branch on 1/1/2011, that is 1000. Opening ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay. It's very important. You should understand carefully. See, 1/1 opening. Opening means ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ? Opening balance ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Next, furniture at branch. Again, there is a opening. Opening means where? We can, again, it is a debit. Then prepaid for insurance premium. Prepaid for insurance premium, that is 1/1. 1/1 means again it is a opening only. Again we can easily write on the debit side. Page number 248, Mega Street. Okay. Now we are going for salary outstanding. Salary outstanding, that is at branch during the year. See, there is a expenses. Okay. See, already I told during the year means this is a present year. Okay. See, you should write on your credit side. That is the opening balance. They not mention any end of the year. He clear cut. He mentioned during the year. During the year means present. Present is during. So we can write on credit side. We can, very good, Chaitra. That is a credit side. Next, goods sent to branch during the year. See, already is a goods sent. Sent means that is a debit side. Okay. Cash sales during the year. Cash sales during the year, that is 2 lakhs. We already told that all will be remittances. See, that will be right the credit side under the bank account. Okay. Then credit sales during the 80,000. Credit sales means what? Credit sales means what? We have to take on cash sales. Okay, it's very important. We should take only a cash sales, not credit sales. Next, next, cash received from the debtors. Received from the debtors. That is 70,000. Again, you have to take that remittances under reading only. Then cash paid by debtors directly to the head office. That is also you should take on only. Discount allowed, very important, to debtors. See, giving discount. Discount means you should deduct under debtors, under closing balance, that is a debitors. Okay. Next, cash sent to branch for expenses. Already I told which are will become for expenses. You should write on the debit side. So rent 4,000, salary 4,800, petty care 1,000, insurance, that is 1,200. It's total 12,000. Is any doubts? Is any doubts? See, if expenses means very good Spandana, very good Anjali. Expenses means we should write on debit side. Okay, discount allowed and the closing balance. Okay, huh? Once I will explain of when it becomes. Okay, okay, Megastri already told if you want to learn if you want to do any problems means first you should go for format. Okay, if you learn format first, afterwards you should come for problem. It can easily understand. Okay, don't bother about that. Hmm? Actually, I have another half an hour. Still, I am in branch account only. I have to spend departmental accounts also. Okay. Okay. Next, goods returned by the branch. Goods returned by the branch, that is 2000. See, already I told goods return. Returns where you should write on the credit side. You should write on credit side, that is 2000. That is 2000. You should write on credit side. Okay. By the debtors. Goods return debtors. Goods written by the debtor. That is how much? That is 4000. Very important. That is the 4000. I will let you know. I will let you know where it becomes. Then stock on 3112. Stock on 31, that is a closing stock. So that is 10,000. Next, petty expenses, that is 1700. That is 1700. See, already I told that is a closing stock, closing balances, that is stock 10,000. In the petty cash, already we write on the debit side, that is 1000. You should take on that 1000, and another that petty cash I mentioned, that is Now I will go for departmental accounts, that is page number 267. Okay, I will go for departmental accounts, page number 268. Page number 268. I will go for departmental accounts. Can you tell me what is departmental accounts? What is departmental accounts? I will go for departmental accounts. That is page number 268. That is page number 268. A concern having a number of departments. See, a trading concern, a business concern having a number of departments, each specializing in a particular line of activity is called as departmental organization or departmental undertaking. Departmental stores selling different items of goods and insurance companies selling on different types of insurance business. Example, that's fire, marine, accident are the examples for undertaking departmentals. Okay, so once again I will explain what is departmental. Departmental means a concern having a number of departments. A concern having a number of departments is specializing in a particular line of activity that's called a departmental undertaking and departmental organization. Okay, in the departmental stores selling different items of goods. In example, in insurance company, if you can example for insurance company, they carrying on different types of insurance, carrying a different types of insurance. Example, fire, marine, accident. Okay, in this question, in the departmental account, in the we should it is one of the most important theory, that is the differences between departmental and branch accounts. Departmental and branch accounts. In this chapter, in this chapter, the differences between department accounts and this question will be come for your examination. I hope it is very important. This is very important question. Okay, now base of difference. What are the major of locating of the building? See, in the department is located in one place only, whereas branch accounts located at different places. There is a different place. It is one of the major difference between a departmental and branch accounts. Second one, keeping of book accounts. See, all the books of accounts are maintained at one place. All the books of accounts are to be maintained at what one place. Whereas branch accounts, whereas branch accounts, all the books are not maintained at one place. Okay. In case of independent branches, because there are so many branches, so you cannot maintain it one book. Okay, next, allocation of joint expenses. See, problem of allocation of common expenses among different departments are located in one building in a department, whereas a branch comes problem of allocation of expenses. Differences between departmental account and branch account, Chaitra. This is page number 270. Problem of allocation of common expenses among a different branches does not arise because branches are located at different places. You should read carefully. Okay. Next, and reconciliation accounts. Question of adjustments. The question of adjustments and reconciliation of accounts does not arise when are in departmental accounts. But whereas accounts, in case of independent branch, some adjustments and reconciliation of the head office and the branch accounts are required at the end of the year. See, departmental accounts it will be does not arise we can for but in branch account you have to require at the end of the last conversion of currency. The problem of conversion of foreign currency into home currency does not arise does not arise in the department of but whereas go for our branch accounts where we go for branch account problem of conversion of foreign branch figures may arise at the time of preparation of finance. See, these are the major differences between under department and branch accounts. Okay. Now I will go for problem oriented. That page number 280. Page number 280. It will become around 15 marks for your examination. Page number 280. All of you come on page number 280. That is departmental account. Shall I start for problem? Shall I go? Shall I go for problem? Shall I go for problem? Shall I go for problem? Thank you. See page number 280. Page number 280. From the following information, prepare the departmental trading in profit and loss account. Departmental trading and profit account. See question. In this question, we have to prepare that is a departmental trading and profit and loss account. See, in this question, giving a two departments that is departmental X and departmental Y. Okay. See, some of items are given. That is a opening stock, purchase, sales, wages, return outward, return inwards, salary to office staff, rent and taxes, discount allowed, discount earned, carriage outwards, expenses. In this question, I giving a sum of adjustments. That is, see, office staff appointed department X is equal to 8%, then department Y is equal to 12%. This is both for salary to office staff. Okay, you have to understand the adjustments. See, area occupied, that is department X is 400 square feet and department Y is 800 square feet. See, this is area occupied means it will go for rent and taxes. This is the allocation of expenses. You have to read properly under allocations which are for the related. See here depreciation on machinery giving for worth rupees 50,000 at 10%. You have to calculate at 10% on 50,000. Okay, and furniture worth rupees 50,000 at 20% is to be distributed equally. Is to be distributed departments equally. I will explain when you go for problem. Okay. Next, stock of goods on 31/12. 31/12 means what? That is a closing stock. Next, interdepartmental transfers. X2A, that is 10,000, which is not included in the above information. Next, exclude the interdepartment transfer for calculation of ratios. This is the very important question will be given for your examination. Okay. Now I will go for explanation for this problem. Page number 282. Once again, I will repeat 282. First, we have to write down the heading. There is departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ending, that is 31/12/2011. Here we have two sets, that is on left hand side and another one is right hand side. For the left hand side, we are mentioning it is a debit side. On the right hand side, it is a credit side. In there, we can classification as four columns. The first one is particular, then department X and department Y, and another one is total. Same you should write on credit side. Particulars, department X, department Y, and another one is total. Okay. See here, debit side. First, you should take on opening stock given in the question. Opening for X department is a 6,000, Y department is 5,000. You should do 6,000 plus 5,000 is 11,000. Is any doubts? Opening stock we should take on debit side. Okay. Next, you should take on purchase on the debit side. You should take on debit side is a purchase. But when you going for purchase, when you are going for purchase, at the time you should deduct a return outwards. You should when you are purchase, when you are going for purchase, at the time you should deduct return outwards. You should deduct return outwards. That is a purchase return. See, always you should deduct purchase return under purchase. See, in the question is a given return outwards. Return outwards is also same. Purchase return also same. See, for 16 we should deduct 2,000 and 31,000 we can deduct, that is 1,000. See, 60 plus 30, it is a 90,000. What Kirtana? What Kirtana? Any doubt? Kirtana, is any doubts? Okay. Next, in the question, sales. Sales means we should enter right on credit side. We should write on credit side. See, in the credit side, we should deduct a return inwards. A return inwards means that is a sales return. That is sales return. See, for purchase means you should deduct purchase return. For sales means you should deduct a sales return. You should deduct a sales return. Next, wages. Wages where it become? Trading account and or profit and loss account. Wages where will become? Trading account or profit and loss account? Anyone of you tell me? Wages, where we should write? See, wages will become on trading account debit side, whereas salary goes for P&L account. Okay, see, will become see trading account. In trading account, wages will become on the debit side, salary will become on profit and loss account debit side. Yes, Ritra, return outwards means it is a purchase return. You should deduct under purchase. Is correct. Already I told you should write on behalf of purchase return outwards. You also write on purchase return. You can write on purchase return. Next, see the question. See salary to office staff. It will goes to profit and loss account. It will goes to profit and loss account. So, but here we have to take some adjustments. It will affect for trading account. That is in the adjustment, fifth adjustment. Fifth adjustment, that is interdepartmental transfer, that is X to Y. That is X to Y. You should read carefully. You should read carefully. For trading account. For trading account, it will become on both the